I'm a Litkid beat.
We have our preferences, but nature is a whole nother level. So we gotta protect and care for what we live for. Come join in. I know that we desire the same thing. Fool me twice, it won't be working. The two things are sure fascinating. We're counting on you to make a change. Choose between the nature or the universe. I've been working hard and God's watching me work. We need to say this, it's our planet. That you wanted everything like I know that we live. It feels like we're in a fantasy. I wanna feel it better, so now you see. Yeah, both is very diverse. I want a better life than nature universe. Nature sure is pretty, but don't be petty. We all know that life's important for you and me. Be a good neighbor, you will earn respect. Or you lose your dignity and be like, what the hell was that? Protect the forests and our oceans, to the lakes and the rivers, to the beaches and our air and our trees. You might not understand, but we planted this important seed. I know what you wanted all along. You can feel me, but we won't think as much that you want it. I see it. Let's work together and be good cousins. Choose between the nature or the universe. I've been working hard and God's watching me work. We need to say this, it's our planet. That you wanted everything like I know that we live. Yeah, hey, come help us out. Clean up the litter for the better now. It's killing our food chains and our oxygen. Can't just rely on the wind to blow away. Luck can be a pain, let's not get remain. Nature itself, but the universe is tough as May. We can all work, I know that we're strong. Don't keep it personal, we don't wanna fall. Choose between the nature or the universe. I've been working hard, now God's watching me work. We need to say this, it's our planet. That you want everything back, I know now that we live. It feels like we're in a fantasy. I want it for the better, so now you see. Yeah, both is very diverse. I want a better life as the nature universe. Yeah, I'll clear our planet.